Hello everyone, here we are again for another session of Seller's Choice Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to generate a Pinterest tracking tag. Your Pinterest tracking tag is used to link conversion data with your Pinterest account. It is also used to measure the results or the performance of your ads. After having your Pinterest tag, you can track actions people take on your website after viewing your promoted pins. You will also have a Pinterest tag on where you can place it on your website to gather audience, insights, and measure your return on ad spend. When you add the Pinterest tag on your website, you can learn which ads lead to more conversions and how people engage with your website. You can also add your Pinterest tag ID to set up your Pinterest tracking on Shopify. Now let us walk you through how to generate one. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. The first thing that you need to do is to access your Pinterest business account. Go to ads.pinterest.com. Log in using your email address. You can also continue using your Facebook or Google account. Just click the corresponding button. If you haven't created one yet, you can see a white Get Pinterest Tag button on your right. If you don't see that, click Ads located at the top left and select Conversions on the drop-down. On the Conversions page, click the red Create Pinterest Tag button. It should generate a unique tag ID. To view your tracking tag, just click item number 1 to install the base code and scroll down. This contains instructions on how to install your Pinterest tag, and this gray area is your Pinterest tracking tag. The tag consists of codes containing your unique tag ID we have seen earlier. There are a couple of instructions here on how to install the tracking code on your website, and that goes for another tutorial. Please be advised that Pinterest just recently updated their codes to match the event code, and this tutorial is the most updated version. Just so you know that we have a lot of tutorials and webinars on bits of advice on how to run and the applicable techniques for your e-commerce business. You can always visit our site at sellerschoice.digital and browse through our huge compilations of webinars, tutorials, and blogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. See you soon!